nature doing these kind of demonstrators and try to transfer the knowledge to our development and research departments so that we get these innovative stuff in our products as fast as possible.
You turn into something tangible that you can feel and experience and actually test, right? These things that you've learned.
So, and for you guys, we brought one smart bird with us. It flew the long way from Germany to here.
This is Frida, our test pilot.
If you want to see how it really flies, you want to see? Let me explain how it works actually. In the center of the body there's a gear with an electro engine, and it just moves the parallel kinematics, but it's very important to know to each moment exactly the position of the motor. And in the end of the wings you have two servo motors as well, and they give an active torsion of the wings. Also, this has to be very well synchronized. Otherwise, it's just not efficient, or we would not be able to fly curves, for example. So it was very, very important to have an intelligent monitoring and to have a lot of decentralized control. The newer projects, developments are presented on the Hanover Fair in Germany and on YouTube as well.
So more cool stuff to come.